Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing the meaning and usage of the word father. As a noun, father refers to a male parent, usually the biological one, who carries the child's genetic makeup and provides care of and support to the child. The word father can also be used as a pronoun to refer to a male relative, such as a brother, uncle, or cousin. The usage of the word father can be found in various contexts. It is often used in conjunction with the word son to form a phrase like son of a father. This phrase is commonly used to convey the feeling of pride and honor, as it indicates that the individual is related to the speaker by a male lineage. In formal settings, it is essential to use proper grammar and sentence structure to convey the meaning appropriately. For example, when speaking about a person's parents, one would say, the person's mother is a teacher and their father is a doctor. Here, the correct usage of father as a noun is used to refer to the male parent, and the phrase of a father is used to show the relationship. In conclusion, the word father is a powerful word that holds a great deal of meaning and significance in our lives. It is essential to use it correctly in various contexts to express our feelings, emotions, and relationships with our loved ones.